How to sign up for our subscription on Walkthroughza. Hello, and welcome to Walkthroughza. Today, we'll guide you through the simple process of signing up for our subscription and gaining access to our exciting marketplace. So, let's get started.
Step 1. Visit our website. Once you're on our homepage, scroll down to find two options, sign up or login. Step 2. Click on the Sign Up button to continue. Now, let's move on to Step 3. Read through our packages. Fill in the necessary information. Select your preferred duration and press that Sign Up button. Great! Now, on to Step 4. Read through the terms and conditions and continue by pressing that Accept button. Step 5. Confirm your subscription by clicking on the package you wish to subscribe to. And now, the final step. We've made it easy for you with our Yoco payment gateway. Once your payment is complete, you're almost there.
Shortly after the payment, you'll receive your login user number and password via email. You're now ready to explore our marketplace and enjoy all the fantastic features on our platform. That's it for our step-by-step guide on signing up for our subscription. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you for choosing Walkthroughza, and happy exploring.